Today I'm going to teach you the difference between cash and accrual accounting in just 3 minutes. What's up, everybody? Craig here, and I'm a profit coach who loves helping service-based business owners finally find some peace of mind when it comes to their money. Now, what's the difference between cash and accrual-based accounting? Now, if you're looking at financial documents, you may see these two options when you're running a profit and loss report. And you might be confused of which one should I be going off of? Because if you look at them, there's a good chance that the numbers are different. And if you're confused by this, you are definitely not alone. So let's break down the differences. The main difference between the two is cash accounting is based on when cash is actually received. So when a sale is complete and the cash is received by the business. Accrual accounting, however, is based on when the service or product was sold. So when the service was provided or the product was sold is when that money would be accounted for, regardless of whether the cash actually was handed to you at that time. For example, let's say that you provided a service on the last day of March and you didn't receive the money until a few days later in April. Now, based on cash accounting, you would reflect that payment in April because that's when the cash was actually received by the business. Accruing accounting, however, would reflect that payment in March because that is when the service was provided. Now, there's a number of reasons why a business would prefer to use cash or accrual accounting, but for the most part, cash is going to be the most simple, clear picture of what you're looking for. It's going to reflect exactly what you're doing in cash in the business. It should line up with what's in your bank account, and it really makes things simpler and easy to manage on the day-to-day. However, if your business is managing inventory or dealing with a lot of moving pieces like that, accrual might be your best bet because it's going to show you a picture of what you're doing overall, not just necessarily when cash is exchanged. As a profit coach and with my clients, I lean toward cash accounting. I'm all about cash flow and knowing what's going on with cash in the business in real time. So when I'm running reports, I am usually looking for that cash accounting report so I can see what's happening in the moment. So when in doubt, lean toward cash accounting. And if you feel like it's not giving you the right picture, that might be the time to reach out for help and see if accrual is going to make more sense for what you're doing. Well, there you have it. That's the difference between cash and accrual accounting. If you need help with managing the cash in your business, that's what we do. In the description below is a link to our calendar to meet with one of our profit coaches. We will help you figure out what is going on with the cash inside of your business so that you can make more money and take home more profit. All right, if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. I will see you next week. And if you haven't checked out this video, I explain how to read a profit and loss statement. So be sure to click right here and check that out next. All right, guys, I'll see you next week.